Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Raymore Review. We're outside of Old Harbour High School, driving into Old Harbour. Gonna do a drive around the town, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's another driving video. Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I am Rush, the Discover Boss, and welcome to the Raymore Reviews community. Thanks for all the support from you guys, all the comments, all the likes, shares, and to all the new subscribers as well. You know, if you're new to the channel, just in the comment, just put new subscriber here, so at least we can, know the new people on the channel. But appreciate all the support, guys. Just continue to liking, continue sharing, continue commenting, because that will help YouTube to even spread the video more to other new users, to persons that are not subscribed to the channel. Yes, we're in Old Harbour, as you realize. We're doing a drive around Old Harbour. Just want you guys to see what's happening in the town of Old Harbour, St. Catherine. I know some person may not come this side for a while, and even some of us in Jamaica, because of the highway, most time we just drive around Old Harbour and Spanish Town, so it's good to see what's happening in the town of Old Harbour. If you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options where you can donate to the channel. That will go towards better equipment and eventually getting a drone for the channel to get some great aerial shots and aerial videos. So Old Harbour. And all the persons from this side, just comment in the comment section, Old Harbour we come from. Once you're from Old Harbour, just big up your town. And if anybody has attended Old Harbour High School or even St. Jago High School, just comment in the comment section as well. So we're on East Street, basically passing the Old Harbour Police Station. That's on my right. We have Jane Bank on the left. So we're just driving through the town, showing you guys around. So we have KFC right here on the left. For us in Jamaica, you can't have a true town without KFC. KFC is like our national dish, unofficial national dish. Always full. So this is you could say part of the market district. On the right you have clothes selling, and back more you'd find ground provision. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is to spin around here and then drive back through the town. So we're gonna spin around right in Portmore Community College Old Harbour campus. So let's make a U-turn, ensure we're safe, ensure we're using up our mirrors, then we just drive back through the town. So just passing NCB on the left. Fairly dense traffic. Alright guys, there you have it. Just a drive around Old Harbour. Remember to leave your comment, like the video, and share as well. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. We're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers in the shortest possible time. So let's see what record we can create. And if you're from Old Harbour, if you're from St. Catherine, don't hesitate to leave a comment so we can know where you're from. So thanks for watching as always, and thanks for joining another driving video, and I'll definitely see you on another.